Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Lay the wool flat and smooth. Remove pockets and jewelry. Use a charged fabric shaver or fine sweater comb and test a hidden seam. Begin in a small 2-3-inch section, holding the fabric taut with one hand while you glide the shaver or comb with the other. Move steadily, no scrubbing. Once done with the first pass, brush away loose pills and inspect fibers so you know where deeper attention is needed. Once you've cleared surface pills, flip the garment inside out to expose stubborn knots held by backing fibers. You must hold the wool taut to avoid accidental cuts. Use short, controlled strokes with the shaver or gently tease pills with the comb's teeth. Make incremental passes, check frequently to avoid thinning. After each pass, remove trimmed fuzz with a lint roller or soft brush. Vacuum lightly if needed. This step preserves pile height and prevents overthinning. To finish, gently steam or press on the wool setting to relax fibers and restore loft. Do not overheat. Make sure to brush with a soft bristle brush to align the nap. If you notice thinning or tiny holes, stop immediately and assess. Reinforce with a small darning stitch or patch if needed, because continued shaving will worsen damage. As a preventive measure, store folded in a breathable bag and launder on gentle cycles to minimize future pilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.